My name is Mark Adams. I'm a producer-director here at South Carolina ETV. I made a special program called Raging Water, which is a look back at the historic 1,000-year floods that happened here in South Carolina a year ago. When I was given the opportunity to make this special program, Raging Water, I realized, looking back on the events of October of 2015, I actually wasn't here for the event. My wife and I live in Forest Acres, and the weekend that the floods hit, I was back in Kansas City for my 30th high school reunion. And my wife would tell me on the phone what was happening, and I would see on national television what was happening. But I felt like I kind of was very separated from the event. And so when I was given this opportunity to kind of look into what happened, what was this event, I felt this was a chance for me to kind of take this educational journey of what was this flood event, what happened. And it allowed me to visit all parts of the state, interview people who were affected by the floods, who were in charge of the rescue operations, and it gave me an all new insight of what really happened. One of the approaches that I wanted to take with this program was to show the scope of the event. I think a lot of people in their own communities would hear stories about what happened in their communities, but I never understood the full scope of what was happening. And I think in this program, I tried to show the viewers what was happening all over the state, not just in Columbia or Charleston. I think people will get the sense of how big an event this really was after seeing this program.